Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a quick look at the SwitchBot motion sensor. Now, SwitchBot sent us this to review, and it's part of their ecosystem of different smart home products.
It's pretty cute.
It
right?
is cute. Yeah.
Hey, so what else comes in the box?
Let's see. So it's a motion sensor, and it can detect human motion and brightness in your home. And it comes with a little manual, which is cute, a little information card, and ooh, what's that?
It's cool. It's a stand. So you take this thing here, you plug it into the bottom here, and you push it hard because it's got like a gasket thing. Okay, I think I got it in there. I don't know how well it's in there, but it's in there. Okay, so there you go. Now that's hard to put in, I have to admit. That was pretty tough to put in.
Yeah.
I wish it just screwed it there or whatever else. But see, the nice thing is you can kind of move it around, which is important, you know, if you put it on a shelf and you want to have it only detect motion a certain way, it's kind of nice.
So you can put it in the right direction. It also comes with a little sticky tape if you want to mount it somewhere.
And it comes with the batteries.
It comes with the AAA batteries. And we really like these. They come with AAA batteries, which is, if you need to replace those, are easier to find.
You'll notice, by the way, that these are batteries that I got, you know, like in bulk. So I just put these in. I didn't even take them out of the package, but they do give it to you, that is great.
That's nice.
And I like that they're double or AAA because they last longer and you don't have to find those button batteries, which I'm always running out of. But let me turn this on its face for a second here. So you're looking on the screen. You can see it says the motion was detected at 512 for a few seconds.
Oh, so before you do that, we have to talk about how it works with that hub.
Oh, you know, that's right.
So this is a motion sensor that works with the SwitchBot hub. And we have the SwitchBot hub mini over here.
It's real simple. You just plug it in and install it. And then what this does, it acts as a bridge between this Bluetooth device and your Wi-Fi, which means you can then access this anywhere and you can set up other routines. So what's kind of cool is you can go in here, go to automations, because nothing's happening. I'm going to put this down because I want it to be no motion. And I can say create a scene. And I can say, what's the condition? And I can sit here, oh, it's the motion sensor. And it says, oh, if motion is detected, all right, save that away and then take an action. And I can say, oh, like I have over here, I have a smart plug from SwitchBot. I can say, go to this smart plug and if motion happens, I want to turn on the switch. All right. And we'll say, call it motion on. Did I spell it correctly? Motion on. Alrighty, hit return, say okay, and we'll create it. All right, and then I can make another scene for motion off. So I say there, I go motion sensor, and I can say no motion, and I can say for 1 minute, because that's the lowest you can go, evidently. Save it, and I can say go to the plug and power off, and we'll say no motion. All right, no motion. We'll create that one. So now we've got 2 routines created, motion or no motion. And if we come back to the main screen, we can say motion was detected. Duration was about 1 minute, so I'm going to have to let it sit here to go turn off. And of course...
because you motioned it.
Well, you picked it up at motions, so you can't, you know. So you got to wait for the timeout, right? And I think you can set that. So let's see. Night sensor indicator light cloud services. No, you can't, evidently.
Motion sensitivity.
Motion sensitivity, though. Oh. Long, medium, motion detection, short. Okay, so you can set distances. Oh, that's pretty neat, right?
Yep, so it's got a lot of different settings in here.
Oh, look at that.
Long, short.
So we can make it long.
7 to 9 meters. That's pretty far.
Yeah, well. Okay.
I think you should make it short.
Well, I think for this we don't need to make it short, but there we go. Motion notifications. Okay, so there should not be any motion, but no, let's try it. Let's see if it works.
All right, so the light turned on.
It did. It worked. And then if we do no motion for a minute, it should turn off.
It should turn off. I don't want to wait a minute, though. Do you?
Then we'll spin it ahead, you know.
All right.
The magic of this camera. Okay. So as you can see, it worked real easy. Very simple to use, right?
That's great. And it works with other devices in the SwitchBot ecosystem. And with the hub, you can also pair it up to your favorite voice assistant or also make it work with smart things.
Is that right? What other things it work with? Oh,
Smart things.
and IFTTT.
IFTTT and Clova, whatever that is. We got to get a Clova.
I think we need a Clova.
I think so.
I wonder if you can get them in the U.S. It says no motion's been detected. Okay, that's really kind of good news. And we set up a routine to turn off the light when no motion detected for a minute. So
There
boom,
it goes. The
it's
light
gone
is off. So this is a great thing to put like in your laundry room or your closet or things like that to create automations so that you can turn things on and off.
all right, so let's see. Put it back on. Look at my face.
There it
Yay.
goes.
Okay.
All right. So that is the SwitchBot motion sensor. Works with the SwitchBot ecosystem and the SwitchBot Hub Mini. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.